Hi, fifth graders. This is a tutorial for the violin and viola students on how to play the Star Spangled Banner. We're going to have you play the first half of this song, and at the second half of the song, we're going to have you do a kind of an echo part. I'll show you that. The second half of the song, I think you'll figure out really quickly. The first half of the song has a few tricky notes and a few tricky bowings. So I'm going to go over that with you right now. The first 5 notes are open D, and then B on the G string, and then open G, then back to B, which is second finger for violin and viola, and then open D, and then G, third finger on the D string. Now, this is going to look strange to a viola student because it looks like I'm playing over on the C string. Remember, I'm playing violin right now. So the first 5 notes again: open D, 2 on G, open G, 2 on G, open D, 3 on D, or D, B, G, B, D, G. And here's the bowing for that. It's 2 up bows. So watch me go 2 times this way, okay? Starting at or near the tip. Watch that again. And both times that you get to play that, because this is going to be 2 sets of music that happens twice. Both times you get to play, both times it's 2 up bows. Up, up, down. You can practice that in the air like this. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Okay? And so I'm going to continue playing because there's another special note that we have to learn on the G string called C sharp. Okay? So let me play the notes that I've already gone over. 1, 2. Now, these next notes are on the A string, B, A, G, over to the D string. Then low B on the G string, second finger. We learned that at the beginning. Now, here's the special note C sharp. What you're going to do is you're going to put your second finger down. I'll show you on the G string. Second finger on the G string, and again, this is violin. Violas, you'll be on this string. Second finger, and then instead of putting third finger right next to it like a buddy, like Mrs. Beecham and I have taught you to over these years, we actually want you to extend your third finger out. So instead of having it be close, you're going to reach your third finger out. Not as high as D, but kind of in between C and D. So the note sounds like this. Here's the B, then C sharp, and then D. Let me show you from this angle what a C sharp looks like. Here's B, second finger, and then instead of putting C there, it's a special C, C sharp. Do you see how I extend it away from my third finger? B, C sharp, and then open D. The rest is pretty easy because there are no special notes or no special bowings, okay? You start on open D. I slip there. Now you can see that I'm ready to start that phrase again. The next section of music has different words, but it's the same notes, and you're going to go up, up, down, just like you did from the beginning. I'll play the rest of it, and then I'll play the whole thing that you can play along with. So that's that whole part of the song. After that, we're going to ask you to do echo notes. And they're really easy to remember. After each phrase, you're going to do D, D, D with a bow lift, and then get ready to do that again. But you'll have time because there are phrases in between. And you're going to get to hear me sing a little bit. Yeah. So they're all Ds except for G at the end. Watch what I mean. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Open G. So that second part of the song should be really good. Hey, the singing wasn't half bad. So let me try to play all of that again so you have something to practice along with and a video to refer to if you're like, oh man, what was that note on the G string? It's marked in your part. Or what was that special finger? If you're playing Star Spangled Banner and it sounds like this, and it doesn't have that kind of lemony sound right there. That's the C sharp that we're looking for, okay? So practice playing that in tune. Now, as promised, I'm gonna play the whole thing so you can practice along. Here we go. Ready, go. Rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. So there you have it, a small video tutorial on how to play the Star Spangled Banner for violin and viola. We hope you enjoy playing our national anthem. Bye.